Uh, Good day. We're programming a 2018 Ford Explorer. This is a 2018 Ford Explorer. We are going to be programming a spare key for the Ford Explorer. We already have one working key. We have one working key. I will be making a spare. So this is the working key. This is the working key, and we are going to be making a spare with this. As you can see, it's not responding. So let's go. 2018 Ford Explorer. (2018 to 2019) Ford Explorer blade key. Once again, this is Autel We specialize in key programming, scanning of your car vehicles, installation of car stereo. Now we're just simply, we have number of program key 2. Specified minimum is 2 as well. So we're just going to add a key. Start execute, enter system, security access. Security access usually take 10 minutes. But let's see, let's start. This procedure will not erase existing key. Of course, this is add key. System executing success. Security access executing. Security access wait about 3 to 10 minutes. So usually with Ford, you have a window of 3 to 10 minutes. This actually is to prevent theft. So we'll wait for the 3 to 10 minutes. Then after that, we'll move on. So I will have to pause the video for a while. So after 10 minutes, then we'll continue. As you can see, the key length. It took less than 10 minutes. So 2 keys length, it was 1 key length. Length keys 2. Okay. Turn ignition off. Okay. Insert key to be learned and turn the ignition on. Okay. So it's learning the keys now. So current number of keys is 3. It was initially 2, so it's 3. Do you want to learn the next key? Of course, no. We don't have any other key to learn. So we have successfully added a key to this car. As you can see, the car started. So we'll test the remote. Lock, unlock. So we have successfully programmed add a key to 2011 Ford Explorer. Thank you for joining us as Autel.